How's it going, guys? So up on the rooftop here for a nail salon and a temp star unit. This compressor is just making a bunch of noises. I'm gonna gauge up on it right now. Give you guys a little preview of what she's doing here. It's like a rattle and a tick up top. Sweating back pretty good, but no heat coming off the top. I'm gonna gauge up on it right now. Here she goes again. Good old temp star. Ugh. More like shit star. Needs a bath, but let me know in the comments what you guys think this is. I think we got a bad compressor.